everyone, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share a hair mask that I have been using for a month now, and it's a mask that can help you grow your hair back, increase the density, increase the moisture level in your hair. All natural, pretty effective. So today I'm going to take you guys through a hair mask which I use and which is pretty easy to make by mixing castor oil and your holy grail aloe vera gel. It prevents premature graying of your hair. Also, it nourishes your hair. It's a very thick hair oil, that's why I love to dilute it with aloe vera gel. Take aloe vera gel. If you have aloe vera gel, try and get 99 or 100% pure aloe vera gel, or you can take it directly from your aloe vera plant. Take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in a bowl and then add castor oil. So for today's DIY, I am using Wow Skin Science's castor oil, which is 100% pure and cold pressed. It contains no additives, no mineral oil and no silicones. That's what we are looking at. We don't want nasty stuff, especially when we are going to pamper our hair. So castor oil is very thick. If you use it on its own, it might be a little difficult to spread plus wash off. So I always like to dilute it. I either dilute castor oil with coconut oil or almond oil, or I mix it with aloe vera gel. Then all you have to do is part your hair, apply it on your roots. Do it all over your hair. Continue it till the time you have entire hair covered. So once you are done with the application, tie your hair up. So you can do 2 things. You can either leave the mask overnight for your hair to soak it nicely and then work better, since it's meant to do a lot of good to your hair. You can leave it overnight, but if you do not want to leave the sticky oil in your hair overnight, you can wash it off after 2-3 hours. Then I just let it air dry. So that's how this hair mask works, and I really like, see, today I did apply the hair mask and I washed off my hair. I did not blow dry them. I generally blow dry my hair straight, but I have not done that today. And I'm sure you guys can see that my hair is looking pretty shiny, and they are very soft to touch, very soft. And I have also seen a humongous difference in the overall thickness. So can you see? So yeah, so do try this hair mask out and let me know if it worked for you. And if you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you love such DIY, then you want me to do more of these, do not forget to comment below, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.